Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 10 disk. Click download tool now. Media creation tool is downloading. Click to open downloaded file. Click accept. Check create installation media. Click next. Uncheck, use the recommended options for the PC. Select the architecture. Click next. Check ISO file. Click next. Select path to store ISO file. Downloading Windows 10 started. Verifying your download started. Creating Windows 10 media started. Click Finish. Open browser. Type Windows USB, DVD. Click Windows USB, DVD, download. Click Windows USB, DVD, download tool. Click download. Select your language version. Click next. Click and open downloaded file. Click run. Click next. Click Finish. Open Windows USB, DVD download tool. Browse recently downloaded ISO file. Click Next. Click USB device. Click Begin copying. Click Erase USB device. Click Yes to continue. Click Start Over. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.